Hi friends, I'm Sadhna from Sadhna's Makeover. I'm going to upload my first video in YouTube and today I'm going to teach you waterfall hairstyle. Before starting the video, do like and subscribe my channel. So now let's start. Take a small division in front of your hairs like this in this way with very thin hairs and divide it into two in this way. Now take a thin hair from the top, very thin hairs, and put in between these two. And then take the one layer and lock it in this way. Take one more thin line. Again guys, please watch carefully. Take another thin layer and place in between these two and then lock it in this way. The same process repeats. Just check it. This hairstyle is very good for party and it doesn't take much time and you can easily do it. The process is the same as how we started. Just you have to take the thin stripes so that the hairstyle looks very neat and it should not get shabby. If you take thick hairs, it will get shabby. So just take thin layers. And in this way, you should keep on doing until you touch the other side of your ears. So almost I have reached the end of the corner of the ear and the same process is repeated. Just locking the hairs.
That.
Now lock it with the help of bobby pins. You can see that the front hairs are a little bit open. So these hairs, you can use it in this way so that the pins are not seen so much. You can see the hairstyle, how neat it has come. And now you can add this accessories which will give a very good look. Just I will show you how to put the accessories. And in this way so that the pin will get hide and the hairdo will look more good. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये हेयर स्टाइल बहुत ही सिंपल है और हर कोई कर सकता है और स्पेशली बिगिनर्स के लिए बहुत ही इजी है. अभी ये हेयर स्टाइल में अगर मैं एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी कुछ देना चाहती हूँ तो मैं उसके लिए आपको ट्रिक्स बताऊँगी. आइकॉनिक स्ट्रेटनिंग मशीन and give it a little bit curls which will give a rich look for the hairstyle. Just check 1 2 3 and twist it and then just come down. So this curl will give a extraordinary look for this hairdo. The similar way we should do for the entire hair at the back. Even ताकि लोगन ठापन and the last curls we are seeing guys. कर्ल्स एक बार में नहीं आएगा, आपको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. बहुत इजी है, अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो आप. How to do curls, ironing, crimping, I'll take another video and I'll show you guys. जब हम हीट मशीन से कर रहे हैं तब हमको टेम्परेचर 190 पे रखना चाहिए. 190 to 210. So friends, this is the final look. At the back I have given a little curls, not so much, a mild curls I have given. So you can do this hairstyle and practice and send me your reviews. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.